this video, we will check that the Cite-While-You-Write plugin for Microsoft Word Mac was properly installed along with EndNote Desktop and troubleshoot common issues that would cause the plugin not to appear. Open Microsoft Word for Mac. If the ribbon says EndNote rather than EndNote 21, or whichever version of EndNote Desktop you have installed, it will see references saved to your EndNote Online account rather than your EndNote Desktop library. This course is based on EndNote Desktop 21 and will use the EndNote 21 ribbon. To switch to the EndNote 21 ribbon, open the EndNote ribbon by clicking on it, click Preferences, click the Application tab, choose EndNote, and then click OK. If your ribbon is installed, no need to keep watching. If you do not see an EndNote ribbon in your Word document at all, you need to enable it. First, open the Tools ribbon and click Templates and Add-ins. In Global Templates and Add-ins, the files EndNote Cite-While-You-Write Word.m and EndNote Cite-While-You-Write Word 2016 bundle should appear. The file name may be slightly different depending on your version of Word or EndNote, but look for a .m in a bundle file. If any of these files is unchecked, check it and click OK. Then you should close and reopen Word and try again to use the EndNote tools. If you did not see those files, you may need to install the plugin. To do that, you would need to close Word and then go into EndNote. In EndNote, you would open the EndNote menu and select Customizer. In the Customizer window, click Cite-While-You-Write, then click Next. Complete the installation, and then you can reopen Word to see if it worked. If none of these steps work, contact EndNote Tech Support for assistance at https://endnote.com/contact. Thanks for watching. Next, we'll discuss creating an EndNote account and setting up your library.